Excessive consumption of salt and salt products are a contributing factor to heart disease, which according to Public Health Program Coordinator Alex Severio is the #1 killer on Guam. Recognizing this, Public Health is partnered with the Guam Hotel and Restaurant Association, the Micronesia Chefs Association, and hopefully Global Food Services to launch a salt reduction initiative, which requests restaurants who join the pledge to remove salt shakers from dining tables. Racial and ethnic approach to regional health project assistant Ruby Gonzalez.
Not just the salt shakers, but also the salt product, which include soy sauce, patis, pinadeni, if they have bagoong, those. And it's still available, but just by request. We're not telling that to ban it. Because it's up to us what we want to eat, but it's going to be away from the vision of the customers.
Gonzalez says that excessive salt consumption can affect a person's blood pressure because it causes the body to retain fluid. She adds that according to the World Health Organization, it is recommended that less than 5 grams of salt should be consumed a day. With salt shakers and soy sauce readily available on dining tables, according to Severio, many people tend to oversalt their food.
By habit, many people, even before tasting their food, add salt to it by habit. That makes the problem of excessive salt consumption even worse. So by removing the salt shakers and salt products from the table, it lessens the likelihood that people add that extra salt that's not needed.
He says most chefs and cooks they've spoken with say the food they are serving is already well seasoned and doesn't need anything to alter the flavor. But what about those who may worry that the food will be bland?
When people say that without putting salt on my food it's bland, it's because we have been accustomed to the flavor of that highly salted food already. So it will taste bland after the first few days of reducing the salt intake. But after a while you'll realize that the taste buds will accustom themselves to its original state, and the food will come out, the flavor tasting the way it should be, not oversalted.
The idea is based on the quote, out of sight, out of mind, and restaurants like Simply Foods is happy to join in on the salt reduction initiative. Simply Foods' Sharon Schmidt.
We are happy to support the salt reduction initiative. We actually started it last week Wednesday, so all of the salt shakers are removed from the tables, and we are happy to join this movement.
Okay, so why did you join?
Well, it goes in line with our mission to give healthier food to the island, and we want to do whatever we can to prevent disease and help Guam be just a healthier place to live.
So if you're a restaurant owner and would like to join Simply Foods in the salt reduction initiative on July 29th by removing the salt shakers from your dining tables, contact Public Health at 735-7336. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Toves.